In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Grafana on Windows quickly and easily. Hi everyone! If you're new to Grafana, it's a powerful, open-source platform for visualizing data and building dashboards. Don't worry if you're not technical. This walkthrough keeps things simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have Grafana installed on your Windows machine. First, open your favorite web browser and head to the official Grafana download page. Using the official site ensures you get the latest, secure version without any unwanted extras. Once you're there, scroll until you find the Windows section. You'll see an option labeled Windows Installer with a .msi extension. That .msi file is the standard Windows Installer package, and it's the easiest way to set everything up. Click the Windows Installer link to start the download. Depending on your connection, this might take a moment. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a location you can easily find, like your Downloads folder. When the download finishes, open that folder and double-click the .msi file to launch the installer. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, go ahead and confirm so the installer can proceed. Next, you'll see the installation wizard. This guide walks you through everything with clear prompts. Review the license agreement and continue. For most people, the default options are perfectly fine. Keeping the default installation folder helps avoid issues later, and it keeps everything organized. If you know you want to install it somewhere else, you can change the path, but it's not necessary. When you're ready, click Install. The installer will copy files and set up the necessary components. You'll see a progress bar. Just let it run and avoid closing the window until it's done. When the installation completes, the wizard will let you know. Click Finish to exit the installer. That's it. The process is complete. At this point, you've successfully installed Grafana on your Windows system using the simplest, most reliable method. If you run into any prompts during the process, such as permission requests from Windows, just approve them so the setup can continue smoothly. And remember, sticking with the default settings is a great choice if you're unsure, because they're designed to work out of the box for most users. And that's how you install Grafana on Windows. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.